children, now let's revise some important yesterday's points. What are glaciers? Children, listen it very carefully. What are glaciers? As you already know, glaciers are slow-moving river of ice. Glaciers are slow-moving river of ice. Now, children, tell me, name the glaciers that are located in the Greater Himalayas. The glaciers located in the Greater Himalayas are the Siachen Glacier, the Gangotri Glacier, and the Yamunotri Glacier. What are they? The Siachen Glacier, the Gangotri Glacier, and the Yamunotri Glacier. Now, children, one more important question is there. Name the rivers of the Greater Himalayas. Name the rivers of the Greater Himalayas. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Satluj. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Satluj are the important rivers of the Greater Himalayas. Now, children, next question is what are passes? Passes are the narrow cuts that is created in the mountains, or sometimes it is naturally also, so that people can move between the mountains or valleys. They are the paths, they are the cuts, they are the passes that is made to move from one mountain to another, or from to move from one valley to another. Okay, children? Now, children, let's start with the Middle Himalayas. Children, the Middle Himalayas are also known as Himachal. Listen it carefully. The Middle Himalayas are also known as Himachal, and they are located lower than the Greater Himalayas. Okay. Now, children, the states which are there in Himachal are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. The states which are there in Himachal region are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Children, this Himachal region is particularly known for its beauty, for its scenes. Okay, like Kullu, Manali, Shimla, Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Srinagar, and Dharamshala. The places which are known for its beauty are Kullu, Manali, Shimla, Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Srinagar, and Dharamshala. There are many orchards in this region. Gagar and Ramgarh are known as the fruit bowl of Kumayu for the wide variety of fruits and dry fruits grown. Children, this is the place where fruits and dry fruits both are grown, such as peaches, pears, apricots, plums, apples, walnuts, and almonds. Now, which type of fruits and dry fruits grown? Are they? Peaches, pears, apricots, plums, apples, walnuts, and almonds. Now, children, we are going to discuss the third one, that is the outer Himalayas or the Shivalik. The outer Himalayas or the Shivalik. In the Shivalik hills are the southernmost range of the Himalayas. They are the southernmost range. The word Shivalik truly means the tresses of thick hair of Lord Shiva. Listen it once again. The word Shivalik truly means the tresses of thick hair of Lord Shiva. Tresses means, children, a long lock of a woman's hair. What do you mean by tresses? A long lock of a woman's hair. It means Shivalik region is well known for hair of Lord Shiva. It is spiritually attached. These high ranges are about 2,400 kilometers long and have more hills than mountains. These Shivalik region have more hills than mountains and it is 2,400 kilometers long. The Himadri and the Himachal, unlike the Himadri and Himachal, means in Himadri and Himachal there are mountains, but in Shivalik hills there are the hills more than the mountains, and that is why it is the lowest one, southernmost region. People largely practice agricultural activities in this region, means people they are engaged in farming, such as terrace farming and cattle rearing. Terrace farming means they make stairs and they grow different type of things over there, and cattle rearing. The Tarai region located around the foothills of the Himalayas is known for agricultural produce like rice, corn, wheat, millets and sugarcane. Now children, what is the meaning of Tarai? Tarai means a belt of marshy. Marshy means daldali. Marshy jungle lying between the lower foothills of the Himalayas and the plains. That is why they have used the word foothills, means sabse niche. Tarai region located around the foothills of the Himalayas is known for agricultural produce, and what they grow? They grow rice, corn, wheat, millets and sugarcane. Now see once again the important points. Important points are the middle Himalayas are also known as Himachal. States lying in Himachal region are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. And the places known for its beauty, scenic hill stations are Kullu, Manali, Shimla, Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Srinagar and Dharamshala. Now, which places are known as the fruit bowl of Kumayu region? Gagar and Ramgarh are known as the fruit bowl of Kumayu region. Gagar and Ramgarh are known as the fruit bowl of Kumayu region. Now, which fruits and dry fruits grown over there? Peaches, pears, apricots, plums, apples, walnuts, and almonds. Now, children, the third one, the outer Himalayas are also known as Shivaliks. The height of Shivaliks is 2,400 kilometers long and it is known for Lord Shiva's hair. Okay, now see, they are known, Himachal is known for agricultural activities. Sorry, Himadri is known for agricultural activities such as terrace farming and cattle rearing. Terrace farming and cattle rearing. Now, which crops are grown in this region? Rice, corn, wheat, millets, and sugarcane. Which crops are grown on the foothills of Himalayas? Rice, corn, wheat, millets, and sugarcane. Now, children, this is the time for your homework. It's your homework answer in one word. Analysis questions these are. So you have to only learn it. What are they? What are glaciers? What are glaciers? Name the glaciers located in the Greater Himalayas. Question number 2 is name the glaciers located in the Greater Himalayas. Question number 3 is name the rivers of the Greater Himalayas. Name the rivers of the Greater Himalayas. Question number 4 is what is a pass? Question number 4 is what is a pass? Children, listen the video carefully and answer these questions. Learn it. Now stay at home, stay healthy, keep yourself safe. Thank you.